Well, that was a bit of a dramatic intro for a little travel vlog to Abu Dhabi, wasn't it? So basically, around this time last year, I went on a big UAE road trip, which you can watch the videos up here. Really cool, really fun, but we missed Abu Dhabi because it was still closed. And now finally, Abu Dhabi is starting to open up again. So that does mean I have to go and get a PCR test. Hey, corona test? Wow, it's empty. Oh, well, that was one of the worst corona tests I've ever had. So we're finally on our way to Abu Dhabi. We've just pulled over at last exit. You can't film in last exit apparently, but if you need a pit stop between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, this place is really cool. Oh. We're coming up to the border crossing tent now. Hi.
The application has a log.
Can I show you the negative test? That was really smooth. They literally just look at your test, make sure it was in the last 48 hours, and we're straight through on our way to Abu Dhabi. So we've just made it into Yas Plaza, which is like a collection of different hotels on Yas Island, arriving at where we're staying tonight, which is the Crowne Plaza. Nice looking Asian restaurant, another restaurant downstairs, lots of choice. Wellington Wednesday. Been sanitized. Not anymore. Wow. This is the view. We got a free room upgrade to the sea view. I think this overlooks some of the mangroves maybe, because it looks grassy, but that's the outdoor pool bar down there. But now we're heading to one of the other hotels across the way, and we're going to go for a buffet because I've been really craving a buffet. And then I think we're coming back here, having some drinks, because we're going to wake up tomorrow morning and start the adventure. So let's go to sleep. And we're awake. We're just about. Let's have a little look at the view. This is what we couldn't see yesterday. Oh, it's a golf course. Cool, didn't realise that. There appears to be a bit of a queue for breakfast. I like this traffic light system, it just so happens we've come when it's red. No more spaces inside, so we're sitting outside, which is very hot, but there's little birds everywhere. We gave them one bit of bread and now there's hundreds of them. It's now time to leave the hotel. We were barely here for 8 hours. Let's go. Just driving past the world's fastest roller coaster in Ferrari World in Yas Island. So after a short 15-minute drive from our Crowne Plaza hotel on Yas Island, we've made it to the mangroves. This is the entrance.
Always turn left every junction here. Okay.
Left at every turning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, what a view. The total distance is a 2-kilometre walk all the way around, and we're walking across these sort of bridges over the water and mangroves. This is stunning actually. See that? I changed up my words. So welcome to I think it's Jubail, something like that, mangroves in Abu Dhabi on next to Yas Island. So I think we're literally the only people here. It's 10 AM on a Friday, which is the start of the weekend. So we've got the whole of the mangroves to ourselves. This looks a bit dodgy. Oh, little rest area. People like me where it's too hot. We've been walking for 2 minutes and I'm already sweating. Whoa. Just found some crabs. What? One's upside down. We found some Ninja Warrior area where you have to jump across the things, but you can't even make the first one, and then there's crabs in the water, so yeah. there's kind of like a boat dock here. Don't think many boats are coming through there. So this place was only 15 dirham to enter, and it's well worth it. It's 2 kilometers all the way around, and in this 50-degree heat, we're starting to melt. But we're already done like a third of it, I think, so it's really quick actually. The next stop is the big tower, which you see in all the pictures, which you should get sort of an overview look of the whole of the mangroves. Here we go, one of the viewing platforms. So this is the path we were just walking along. We've gone through all of this around here. Started at that hut over there. So here is explaining how it turns seawater into actual salt that we use at home. So this is salt water drying out, creating actual salt that we use in our food. How cool is that? It goes from water, evaporates until there's nothing but salt. We've made it to the end of the mangroves. Highly recommended, definitely worth coming. Do not come in the middle of summer because it is boiling hot with no shade. But the exit also just takes you straight out to the car park, like, okay, bye. This is the exit. Make sure you don't come in this way because the car park's just here and the exit's here. Make sure you don't come in this way. We're just driving down the Abu Dhabi Corniche, where it's like along with all the big building and then all of the seaside bit that you can walk along. It's a really nice area. This is like the main bit of Abu Dhabi, I think. Heading to the place what I've been wanting to go to the most, which is Abu Dhabi's new sneaker district. I've just seen, you can just see the start of the sneaker district there. I'm excited. We've made it to Abu Dhabi sneaker district. Whoa! This place is like made for me, I swear. You Better Fly representing in Abu Dhabi. Dior, Supreme. 150,000 dirham for a Supreme Louis Vuitton skateboard deck. Wow. This place is crazy. Look at this. This is insane. They've got samples, they've got all the hype shoes. Come upstairs, but I think the upstairs is maybe women's, but there's loads of different brands and loads of different sections everywhere. It's a cool concept. Skechers, we will not be going over there. Wow. This is like Cyberdog in London. Even got like the thing. This is really cool, the neon place. Oh, it is Cyberdog. Yeah, go on.
Obviously my boss can't catch me black. There you go. Nice.
See you next time. Thank you. Well, that was a really cool concept store. It's more like retail space for like all the sports brands and stuff. It's not so much the hype stuff, but it's still really cool, and the employees were really nice, really friendly, so we'll definitely be coming back here. We're just walking around the mall to find a Starbucks, and there's a massive slide. There is no way that's actually a slide, it's so high. It's shut, but it looks like normally you could just jump in this slide and go all the way down. That's seriously high. If you want to come and do the slide when Corona's finished, it's the World Trade Center Mall in Abu Dhabi. I've just had a 10 out of 10 experience in Starbucks. It was really nice. He told me to get cookies because they're good. I got cookies, they're really good. And then he didn't ask my name because that always annoys me. And then he even wrote on my cup, "Good day." We're just driving over the bridge on, I'm going to say it wrong, Hudayriat Island. And there's a little beach here, and we're going to visit the CupCake ATM. I have no clue how it works, so we're going to find out. This is a really nice section of beach. It's kind of like La Mer with like little retail spaces and restaurants, but we're on the hunt for this CupCake ATM. Oh my god, someone's made a whole whale. So we've made it to the CupCake ATM. Hello. So what you do is you select which one you want. So I'm gonna get Lotus. Add to cart. Add to cart. Oh, I've added loads. Now you Apple Pay. I'd like to think there's a little guy in there making cupcakes and then puts it through. Oh, my little cupcake. What a cool idea. I mean, it was £5 for a tiny little cupcake. Is this worth 23.5 dirham? If you want a cupcake without having to talk to anyone, CupCake ATM. So if you're in Abu Dhabi and want something a bit quiet as well, because there's not many people, come here. But now we're heading to the Owl Cafe, which is a cafe full of owls. Whoa! Whoa! How much fun we're having here! We're heading to the Boomah Cafe. It's a really cute little street with loads of little like independent restaurants. This is a nice little area. It's kind of like hidden away. All you need is coffee. So we've made it to the Boomah Cafe. We paid 70 dirham and then we get to sit in with the owls. See how it goes. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Bye. Wow. Oh my god, the eyes. Hello. This guy's scary. Do you know how much this one weighs?
10, 12.
Wow.
She's 2 years old. She's a lady. So these fishes are known Guinness World Records.
Can I touch?
Yeah, of course.
I'm scared.
I'm so sensitive and sensitive.
I'm scared. These guys are kissing. Look at this. Oh my god, what is going on here? Is it... She likes it. And then one finger down the chest?
Yeah, so
Yeah?
slow. Yeah.
I feel like the individual feathers.
She belongs also eagle family, different species. So
It's Emirati. Emirati owl.
so friendly.
Can I stroke as well?
Yeah.
God.
You can take your mask. It's okay.
Well, I've just made a new friend. And what's this one's name?
Venus.
Venus. She like me. Wow. She's gonna fly away. Getting brave, and I'm gonna handle. How'd you say it? Usha. Osha. She's the Emirati one. Does she like to be stroked?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. You okay?
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
These two are like best friends. You can't touch this guy because he gets angry. They're flying about. You're right, Mars. Neptune is chilling her life away. That is the most intense look I've ever seen. Okay. Is she like looking out the window as well? The angry one. No, you're not going back home. Good. Yeah. Bye, owls. See you next time. Have a good life. Thank you very much. Have a good day. That was an amazing experience. We didn't really know what to expect because the place has just opened apparently, but it was 70 dirham and you can basically just spend as long as you like there playing with the owls, picking them up, touching them. There's a little cafe attached to it where you can get yourself a coffee. So highly, highly recommended. I'll leave a link in the description to all this stuff that we've been doing. But yeah, like I didn't realise I liked owls so much. They were super soft, really friendly. Yeah, they're cool. Up next, we're heading to the fossil dunes. So we've got another sort of 45-minute drive. But first, I need some food. So let's find somewhere. And now we've got a little McDonald's BTS meal. Boom. We made it to Fossil Rock. Literally the only ones. Luckily the car made it over. The ground's actually quite hard. It's not quite sandy. So weird, it's like away if you touch it. I don't think you're supposed to touch it. This would be a really cool place for a photo shoot. Okay, so it's Bradley from the future, and basically it was so windy so you probably can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm going to chuck myself in this corner. So someone came along and told us it's actually a protected space now because of its natural beauty. You should not climb on top of it, so we apologised. The guy was very friendly and helpful about it. It was only up until a couple of months ago that you could go on top of it, but obviously people are wearing it away, so don't climb on top of it. We said sorry to the guy, he was super kind, and he let us just wander around as we should have. And then the guy even came back and gave us some water. How friendly was that? Yeah, that is a camel. Just driving to the Salt Lake now, and we're on like a dirt track between houses that are being built and what looks like a camel racing place. And there's also millions of camels wandering. We drove for literally 45 minutes in the middle of nowhere, and we got 4 kilometers away from the Salt Lake. There we saw 2 cars that had got completely stuck, and it was all soft sand from then on. Yeah, that was a failed one, but next time we'll get it. So because the Al Hosn app isn't working, you have to show a negative PCR to come into the mall. But obviously a trip to Abu Dhabi wouldn't be complete without going to Yas Mall, so we've just stopped to have a little look and get some dinner before heading back to Dubai. Oh, you can zoom in this camera. Yeah, Ferrari World's just down there. That's how you enter with the world's fastest roller coaster, but we are here for the better stuff, for Nike. I came all the way to Abu Dhabi just to buy the same pair of shorts that I'm wearing now. Now I see the next best shop in the mall. We're heading into Virgin. Here we go. Now the thing that makes this Virgin store the best is it's got a bloody slide. Look at that. I mean, it's closed because of Corona, but normally you can go upstairs and then slide down inside the shop. How cool is that? So there was a bit of a change of plan. Last night we just hit Yas Mall, and then afterwards we went to a pub in Abu Dhabi and watched the England football game. We then stayed another night in Abu Dhabi, and today we're checking out Qasr Al Wantan. I think I said right. But I'm gonna do a whole nother video on it because it's such a cool place. It's actually my favorite place in Abu Dhabi. So if you wanna see that video, check the top line of the description. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Boom.